Hey you, I'm so glad you're here today. I'm Jenny Prochko from Owls and Indigo, and I make videos about spirituality, writing and journaling prompts, bullet journal videos, goal setting, mental health and awareness, and my story. Today I wanted to share with you this month's spirituality journaling question. So get out your journals and let's go ahead and journal together. This month's spirituality question is, what movements or changes does your heart need right now? Right now, my heart needs a lot of stillness. So it doesn't really need movement outward. It needs movement inward and movement in the changes that I make to find that calm and stillness. My heart also needs love right now, and I have made a lot of changes to the way that I'm perceiving things and looking at things. I've shifted my focus a little bit, and I'm trying to look at the world and my situations and my everyday life in a new light to promote love, calmness, and stillness. Those are the things that my heart really needs right now. I love to hear in the comments down below what your heart really needs right now. You can find me on Instagram at Owls and Indigo, that's where I am most, or over on owlsanడింdigo.com where I share a weekly spirituality tip, writing and journaling prompts, moon-themed bullet journal layouts, little tidbits about the moon and how to move through the lunar cycle with your goal setting, mental health and awareness, and my story. I'm so grateful that you chose to spend your time here with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!